Alright, welcome again. This is Military Guna TV. Just gonna do a bit of information passing on and based off some of the things that I've seen happening, and right before highlights, football is changing. This is a UEFA Europa Conference League, third European competition added to what we have so far. Now the dates of the European competition hasn't changed, just additions. Now it may seem a bit difficult because we know that already at this point in time we're playing a lot of football, and adding another competition will make it a bit more intense, and you can see fatigue will be an issue. Now, before I go any further, hit that like button if you're new here. If you like this type of content, hit that subscription button. Help me fight and beat this YouTube algorithm, and I'm on my move to 2,000 subscribers. But guess what? We are here to talk about the European competitions. Now, let me get into details. Now, the UEFA Europa Conference League is new European competition that will start in 2021. That is the 2021-2022 season. That is the initiation and also the test season as well. The competition has been founded to give more clubs in more countries a chance to participate in European football. So Arsenal fans, please don't worry yourself too much, because guess what, we have an opportunity. There's a third chance for it. First chance Champions League, second chance UEFA League, and guess what now we have the Europa Conference League, so we have third chance. So third chance is the luck, or third chance is the charm, they would say. So guess what, we have to get this one. So in English FA Cup, for example, many teams from many different levels can compete. Most clubs in Europe have the ambition to participate in the European competition as well, as the Champions League and the Europa League are the most elite European football competitions. Not many of them get a chance to. With this new European tournament, which is seen as the third tier of the European football competition, more teams and more countries can get a chance to participate in European football. But guess what? More matches for more clubs with more association represented in the group stages. That is really hectic. But guess what? Let me move on. The new competition creates an opportunity for the last 34 countries to compete in a European competition. It is well featured. It will feature 32 teams starting in the group stage, divided into 8 groups of 4 teams. There will be no teams that qualified directly. And I said it again, there will be no teams that qualify directly. The group stage will be formed by the remaining teams of 2 parts. Want to know these parts now? In which the league is split into, and the 10 teams that are eliminated in the Europa League playoffs. 17 teams will remain from the UEFA Europa Conference League part. So basically, the UEFA Europa Conference League has its own part, and 17 teams will remain there. 5 teams from the Champions part, that's basically the Champions League part. Qualification to the league part is based on the standard UEFA coefficients. The Champions part will consist of teams that have lost qualification matches in Champions League. Will be quite similar to the format of the Europa League. The group stage will be followed by the round of 16, quarterfinals, semifinals, and then a final. A total of 141 matches will be played, the same as the UEFA Europa League. The matches will also be played on Thursdays. The winner of the UEFA European Conference League will participate in the Europa League in the following season. So winning the UEFA European Conference League will guarantee you participation in the Europa League. So as I said before, it's the third tier. So basically, just as though you can win the Europa League and enter guaranteed entrance into the Champions League, it is the same for the UEFA European Conference League. Now, due to the new European competition, the format of the Europa League will also change. Prior to the round of 16, an additional preliminary knockout round will be played. This round is played between teams ranked second in their groups and third ranked teams of the Champions League group stages. The UEFA Europa League group stage will be reduced from 48 to 32 teams. But guess what? The UEFA Champions League will remain unchanged. So Arsenal Football Club, we still have a chance of playing Thursday Night Football Club. We still have a chance of playing Thursday Night Football, so don't worry, it is here for us. So hopefully you guys like that. This is a bit of downplay on the UEFA European Conference League. Hopefully you guys like that. Hit the like button and subscribe if you're new here. Guess what, people? Peace. I am out.